Alright, what we have here today, fresh off the benches of Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Radio is modified. I have installed the super modulation swing kit. Radio is peaked and tuned. If you want to run linear, it's tuned for it. It's ready to rock and roll at dead keys 2, swings 18 to 20 watts. The Delta Tune is the turbo echo board. And I've also done the modification to the talk back so that it works very well. You can turn it real loud or you can shut it off.
Audio, check 1, 2. Hello. Audio test 1, 2. Hello.
Radio works extremely well. It is a brand new radio. It comes with everything included, all accessories, everything except the antenna. Makes somebody a really nice, strong mobile unit. What you see is what you will receive. Nice, strong mobile unit.